Hello guys, my name is Comfort. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and let's make this delicious Liberian cassava leaf. I'll start by seasoning my meat as usual. I have already put in my favorite seasonings, and now I'm adding in black pepper and some blended pepper, garlic and ginger. I will be adding in one seasoning cube. Stir it and put on my oven so that my meat will steam up before adding in more water.
When the morning breaks with golden fire, the world's a map. Each step takes you higher, and every shadow hides a light, my friend, my friend. This isn't the start, there's no bitter end. Taste the comfort in the climb, don't wait. Each time you leave will shine. It's faith push through the storms. Let the wind sing your tune. You're the rising sun, a dream under the moon. The clock ticks softly, but don't you fear. Each tick's a whisper of dreams drawing near. Tales are written every time you're bold. Turn your stories into treasures of gold.
Sweet cassava leaf. It's not for good alone, guys. This is the main ingredients of the dish. This is the cassava leaf I will be using. So I actually squeeze out this water and I get rid of it because I don't know where this leaf was blended or pounded, so I don't want it. And then I put it into my blender and added in some eggplant, 1 habanero pepper and half onions to season my cassava leaf and to also soften it with the eggplant. I blended it very well. It was very smooth. I added it to my pot. I added a little bit of water, and then I added in all my favorite seasoning. I added in some black pepper, white pepper, Knorr seasoning, and Maggi cube. Yes, and then I have some ingredients that I will be blending and will also be adding it to the pot. And I also added in some sliced onions.
Here comes a story with flavor so bold. Comforts in the kitchen, breaking the mold. Spices dancing in the sizzling heat. The taste of passion, it'll make you repeat. Comfort taste, comfort tales, cooking up dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. Plates of magic, healing souls with care. A splash of love, you can taste it, it's rare. From the pot to the plate, stories are told. Comfort's touch is worth more than gold. Comfort taste, comfort tales, cooking up dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. She's a storyteller too, each dish a masterpiece, pulling you through. Plantains are golden and soups sing with fire. Comfort lifts spirits, taking them higher. On an Afro beat, with a tale at hand, the flavors weave together like a magical band. Prepare for the feast, a journey's begun. Comfort's kitchen where the world is one. dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. Feel the beat. Comfort tales. Cooking up dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart.
Now guys, let me show you behind the scene of this dish, of what it takes to bring this kind of delicious dish to the table. It takes hard work. Guys, are you seeing my kitchen? I'm showing you now. This is how my kitchen look at this point. After reaching at the end of the soup, this is how my kitchen look. But I'm going to clean it. Why not? If not, yes. And then after cleaning, we will now come and show you the interesting part, which is the clean part. So yeah, is it from that to this. So the soup has come to the end of cooking, and everything is clean, set up and ready to be eaten. Guys, I will show you few pictures of how the story was told to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my video, encourage me guys, give this video a thumbs up. Let's grow this channel together, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. For now, bye. I love you guys.
Comfort in the kitchen, where stories unfold, mixing recipes with heart, flavors pure and bold. From sunrise to moonlight, she weaves a tale. With every spice she adds, will never fail. Comfort tastes of her tales. Every meal she cooks, her passion prevails. Through the rhythm of life, she's setting the trails, bringing joy to each plate. Her love never fails. Afro beats drum as the flavors collide. Joe love pop bubbling with pride in